One thing I like to tell people, we like to solve problems.
Codes are necessary for safety, they're necessary for public health.
The complexity of the codes back in the early 70s or 60s when this house was built were vastly different than they are now. They get more strict, at least here in California, when tragedy happens.
The building code used to be a pocket-sized book.
And now we have the codes, and it's like the California Building Code Volume 1, Volume 2, and then there's a mechanical code, and it takes about this much space on a bookshelf.
The initial design often takes us 3 or 4 months for these projects, and then we hand in this bundle of drawings, and then often we wait for months, literally, for the plan check to happen.
The act of building, the construction process, is actually the easiest part of it because of all the planning that goes into it before you actually get materials on a job site. So the building code compliance industry is long overdue for efficiency improvements. And I think everybody knows that the solution here is in technology.
We have a challenge of talent. If we want more housing, if we want more buildings, we need more people in our industry. AI can inject knowledge faster than the old way of training people. If we structure AI to be your tutor, oh man, you can probably just start them and go.
When you start, you don't know what you don't know, and being able to ask a question and then it recite a bunch of sections that you weren't even aware existed. I mean, if you go to a general person who is not involved in the code industry, they don't know what is regulated in a room and how many things that have code requirements for it.
You might be able to sit down with actually the contractor and both go over the same screen and look and type in questions and come up with an answer right then and there, rather than having to wait 2 weeks.
I would say the biggest thing that surprises me of Ichi is its accuracy.
I have a copilot who's there all the time, answering questions, and the journey is great. You have an AI who's structuring comments, and if you give it more context, it gives you a better output. And the beautiful thing, if it can do it for a plan checker, it sure can do it for the contractor.
I think one of the things it's going to do is bring some design professionals, applicants like ourselves, and the jurisdiction plan reviewers closer together. I can envision with AI, the solution becomes more evident to everybody more quickly.
Where this is going is designing buildings in real time.
So it's just not plan checkers, it's industry-wide where it will speed up the production time of construction.
The architects and engineers have the ability to be code experts at their fingers before it gets to the cities, before it's a problem.
Where do you see AI going in the next 5 to 10 years? How will it change your industry?
The product that you have here, it's gonna change the world.